Hello student, here we discuss about the coordination compound cobalt NH3 whole 6 3 positive animated complex ion of cobalt. So we will discuss why it is diamagnetic in nature, what is the role of delta O crystal field splitting energy if higher in the case of CuNH3 6 3 positive complex. Very important, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. CuNH36 3 positive, what does it mean? The positive charge is due to only cobalt because NH3 is neutral ligand and is strong ligand, so pairing will be occurring here. So cobalt 3 positive, argon 18 3d6 configuration will be there, and this will be D count will be written as D26 Eg, because when complex ion will be there, so there will be splitting of d orbital takes place and we'll get T2G set and Eg set. So T2G set, since delta O, that is crystal field splitting energy, is much higher, that is why electron start doing pairing, they will not jump up to the higher level. This is lower energy level, this is higher energy level, energy is denoted like this. So here fivefold degeneracy will be there in free ion, but when they are forming complex, at that moment the orbitals are split into two sets, T2G and Eg. In octahedral shape, T2G are having lower energy and all of them are occupied by 2 electrons each. That is why the pairing will is making it more stable, highly stable field T2G set, so it is highly stable, as well as here it is no unpaired electron here, so it will be having zero dipole moment because no unpaired electrons are not present, so it is diamagnetic in nature, all electrons paired, so diamagnetic, so large gap delta or large pairing of electrons. Okay, so in the d orbital of the central metal atom. This is the role of delta O, that is crystal field splitting energy of octahedral complex. Okay, and it is low spin complex. You see that all the up and down, and it is having low spin, and since energy is also low, when they are unpaired, then only high spin complex. Here when electrons are paired, the electrons are paired, so there will be low spin complex. Okay, so this large energy delta O favors pairing of electrons, resulting in low spin configuration, spin paired complex also we call it. Okay, and this is larger, so the orbital central metal ion is large. Large energy is required to jump to the higher energy orbital, so it will not go up to. Okay, so it will all pair, so electron will first pair up and then we'll get low spin configuration of cobalt 3 positive, that is the T2G6. Magnetic moment will be 0, so it is having CuNH36, it is having diamagnetic nature as well as low spin complex. Clear to you? Thank you for watching. Delta O role much important.